Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick guide, I will show you how to share a ChatGPT conversation as a link. In this way, you can send your chats with AI to friends, classmates or colleagues easily. First step, open ChatGPT on your browser or app and simply go to the conversation you want to share. For that, tap on the menu icon at the top left and simply choose the conversation that you want to share. Let me go with this one. Now, on the top right corner of the chat, you will see this three-dot menu option. Tap on it. And here you will see a small share icon. Simply tap on it. Once you select share, ChatGPT will generate a shareable link for that conversation. Simply tap share link. You can simply copy the link and paste this link in messages, emails or social media to let others view your conversation. You can even directly send it from here. And that's it. That's how you share your ChatGPT conversation as a link. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.